Hey guys, welcome to another KitchenAid video. This is for the KitchenAid Professional 5 Plus series, but this will also apply for any KitchenAid. I just want to show you guys the attachment and how you will put an attachment on, because a lot of people don't know how to put an attachment on because the instructions are not too clear. So I'm going to show you guys how to put like a meat attachment and other kind of attachment that KitchenAid have. As you can see here, the attachment goes right here on the top. And it has a flap. You see, just open the flap. Just open the flap, right? And then as you can see, there's a hole right here. There's a hole, okay? All you have to do is just turn this, okay? Turn this until it comes out, like right here. And then put your meat attachment in the hole. Put it in the hole. And then you turn this. And this will lock the meat attachment. And then when you turn it on, then your meat attachment will work. So this will apply for any kind of attachments. So I'm going to go ahead and put links to the different popular KitchenAid attachments in the video description below if you want to check it out from Amazon. And then once you're done, all you have to do is, you know, just loosen this up. And you loosen it up by righty tighty, lefty loosey. That's what they say. You turn right, you'll tighten it. You turn left, you'll loose it. And then you'll be able to take it in and out. And this, you don't have to clean or anything, but if it gets dirty, you can clean it. As you can see, it's pretty strong because, as you can see, it's just a solid piece of metal. And then after you're done, you can just close it like this. And that is how you use the KitchenAid attachment assembly. And if you guys don't have a KitchenAid, you guys definitely want to get one. I'll put a link to the KitchenAid that I have. This is a KitchenAid Professional 5 series, and I love this. I use this every day to cook good food for the family. As you can see, you can make pizza with it. You can make bread. You can make cakes. A lot of healthy food you can make with this. It's not all baking, okay? You can make good bread and stuff like that, and as you can see, it comes with different attachments. This is for bread. This is the mixing attachment. And then there's a whisk attachment for mixing light stuff. And this KitchenAid, as you can see, it looks real good because we take good care of the KitchenAid. And it stays strong. It's very sturdy. Because you can save a little bit of money by buying another product compared to KitchenAid. But I definitely recommend you spend the extra, what, $20 or $30 and just get a KitchenAid. So go ahead and check it out in the link in the description. And if you guys like this video, just give me a thumbs up and let me know. Appreciate you watching.